Did you know that poor preventive maintenance contributes to up to 40% of unplanned equipment failures? And that reactive maintenance approaches lead to 5 times more downtime than proactive strategies? Organizations that adopt preventive maintenance strategies has reduced unplanned downtime by up to 50%, boost equipment reliability by 40%, and cut overall maintenance costs by 35%. Compared to reactive approaches. Hi, my name is Steve Perrys, and together with our faculty director, we would like to invite you to our certified Preventive Maintenance Leader program. To begin the program, you'll explore core preventive maintenance disciplines, including risk-based asset prioritization, reliability-centered maintenance principles, failure mode and effects analysis, and building effective inspection schedules. Next, you'll learn how to build a world-class preventive maintenance program by delving into advanced techniques, such as integrating predictive technologies, condition monitoring, data-driven fault detection, and leveraging computerized maintenance management system for maximum efficiency. Everything you need will be explained in detail as you progress through the course, moving from the basics to the advanced sections in this certified program. You'll even learn to establish powerful KPIs for maintenance excellence, conduct root cause analysis, and foster continuous improvement, helping you to minimize disruptions, extend asset life, and boost profitability. Upon completion, you'll attain the prestigious Certified Preventive Maintenance Leader, or CPM designation. This globally recognized credential will showcase your capability in leading high-impact preventive programs and building resilient, world-class maintenance systems. It'll also help you enhance your professional credential and position yourself for advanced leadership roles in maintenance, reliability, and asset management. What's more, this certification is valid for a lifetime. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll in the certified program today and take a monumental step toward mastering preventive maintenance excellence.